So for this egg rice, I have some pepper mix which I'm going to add to the oil, and I'm going to add some onions, then go ahead and fry it for some minutes. Let's say some minutes, just about few seconds, and I'll go ahead and add the sliced beef. Yes, I'm using just a little quantity of sliced beef. You can use any protein of your choice. You can use chicken, you can use fish, anything. So then after that, I'll go ahead and start adding the vegetables. So I started with carrots, which I'm going to fry for about few seconds again on a low heat before going ahead with yellow bell pepper and the green bell pepper. Remember to be frying this on a very low heat so that your food doesn't get overcooked. Okay, so now I just remembered I've not added salt, which I just did, and also went ahead and added spring onions. At this point, remember, on a very low heat, I still fried it for about few seconds. Yes, few seconds, and I'm going to put it aside. Now go ahead and prepare the egg. I'm using about 10 pieces of egg here, which I've already mixed with some salt and so for the egg, I already mixed it with some salt and some seasoning to give it taste. You can use any seasoning of your choice to give it any taste of your choice. Now I'm frying it. Remember, I'm stirring it because I don't want it to be clogged together. I want it to be in pieces form because I'm going to be adding it to the rice. Okay, so I'll go ahead and stir fry it till my egg is well cooked, and I'm using a very little quantity of oil because I don't want the food to be very greasy. All right, so now the egg is ready, and now it's time to prepare the rice. Okay, so for the rice, I'll just go ahead and wash the rice with hot water. Yes, I'm not going to parboil it. I just wash it with hot water, and I transfer to the cooking pot. And here I'm going to be adding my spices. I have curry, I have thyme, I have fennel powder, and I'm going to add little quantity of water, and I'll cook the rice to done. Now the rice is done. I don't want it so soft. I'll go ahead and add my ginger and what is it called, the garlic paste. Yes, I still cook it for like 2 more minutes before now adding the vegetables which I already prepared one side, and now I'm adding the egg finally, and I'm going to give it a stir. Yes, stir it, mix it properly, and now it's well mixed and my food is ready. Yes, this is very simple to make, very delicious, very nutritious, and really easy to make. You don't even need to stress yourself so much to cook. Yeah, see our egg rice, so yummy. So guys, thank you for watching. See you next time.